Welcome to Easy IELTS Shadowing Channel. Practice speaking with me by listening carefully and shadowing to improve your fluency and confidence. Many people believe that major changes in life are usually the result of big decisions, such as changing careers, moving to another country, or starting an important project. While these moments can certainly shape our future, I have gradually come to realize that small decisions made every day often have a much stronger and more lasting impact on who we become over time. In daily life, we constantly make choices, often without giving them much thought. These decisions may seem insignificant, such as how we spend our free time, what we choose to focus on, or how we respond to challenges. However, when repeated consistently, these small choices slowly shape our habits, mindset, and direction in life. One clear example can be seen in learning a new skill, such as improving English speaking ability. Choosing to practice for a short period every day may not feel impressive at first, especially when progress seems slow. However, over weeks and months, this simple decision creates noticeable improvement in fluency, confidence, and overall communication ability. Another area where small decisions matter is time management. Deciding how to use even 10 or 15 minutes can make a significant difference in productivity. When we consistently choose to use small blocks of time wisely, rather than wasting them on distractions, we begin to feel more in control of our daily routine and less overwhelmed by responsibilities. The way we respond to difficulties is also shaped by small decisions. When faced with a problem, we can choose to avoid it, complain about it, or take small steps to address it. Although taking action may feel uncomfortable at first, this decision gradually builds resilience and problem-solving skills, which become valuable assets in the long term. Our attitude toward learning is another area influenced by daily choices. Some people decide to remain within their comfort zone, avoiding unfamiliar topics or challenges. Others choose to remain curious, even when learning feels difficult. Over time, curiosity leads to growth, while avoidance often leads to stagnation. Small decisions also play an important role in emotional well-being. Choosing to reflect on emotions rather than ignoring them helps develop self-awareness and emotional control. This awareness improves communication with others and reduces unnecessary conflicts in both personal and professional relationships. In social interactions, small decisions can strengthen or weaken relationships. Choosing to listen carefully, show appreciation, or communicate honestly may seem simple, but these actions build trust over time. On the other hand, ignoring communication or reacting carelessly can slowly damage relationships without us realizing it. Health is another area where small decisions accumulate. Choosing to maintain regular sleep habits, eat balanced meals, or engage in light physical activity contributes to long-term well-being. These choices may not produce immediate results, but they significantly influence energy levels, focus, and overall quality of life. Technology also affects our daily decisions. Choosing how and when to use digital devices has a strong impact on concentration and mental health. When we consciously limit unnecessary screen time and focus on meaningful activities, we protect our attention and reduce stress. Financial habits provide another example of the power of small decisions. Choosing to plan expenses carefully or save regularly may not seem exciting, but these habits create stability and reduce anxiety about the future. Over time, financial discipline offers greater freedom and peace of mind. Another important aspect is mindset. Small decisions about how we interpret situations shape our outlook on life. Choosing to view mistakes as learning opportunities rather than failures helps build confidence and encourages continuous improvement. This mindset is especially useful for language learners who who may fear making errors. In professional life, small decisions about communication, preparation, and attitude can influence career development. Being punctual, responding thoughtfully, and continuously learning contribute to a positive reputation. These habits often matter more than occasional moments of high performance. Over time, the accumulation of small decisions creates noticeable change. Habits become automatic, confidence increases, and progress becomes more visible. Although this process is slow, it is also more sustainable than relying on sudden motivation or dramatic changes. It is important to understand that small decisions do not need to be perfect. What matters is consistency rather than intensity. Even when progress feels minimal, continuing to make positive choices gradually moves us forward. Another benefit of focusing on small decisions is reduced pressure. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by large goals, we can focus on what we can do today. This approach makes growth feel more manageable and less stressful. Reflection plays a key role in understanding the impact of daily choices. By occasionally reviewing our habits and decisions, we gain insight into what supports our growth and what holds us back. This awareness allows us to adjust our behavior more effectively. For language learners preparing for IELTS, understanding the power of small decisions can be especially motivating. Choosing to practice speaking regularly, even for a short time, builds fluency more reliably than occasional intense study sessions. Shadowing practice, in particular, reinforces pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence through repetition. As time passes, the results of these small decisions become clear. Skills improve, confidence grows, and challenges feel more manageable. What once felt difficult gradually becomes familiar and comfortable. In conclusion, big changes in life are often the result of small decisions repeated consistently over time. By paying attention to daily choices related to learning, communication, health, and mindset, we can shape a future that reflects our values and goals. Although the process requires patience, the long-term benefits are significant and lasting.